What's up, guys? So today we're in London and we're going to be walking around the city, getting some food, and just checking out some of the typical tourist destinations that you can find in just one day. So let's go. So right now we're just at Embankment. You can see here the London Eye. Just there you have Shrek's Adventure. You have Sea Life Center here. And then further down you have the London Dungeons. It's a pretty busy place, lots to do. Here we have Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. No matter how many times I see this place, I always love it. It's just so iconic. As a kid that grew up in Miami, you know, this is such an interesting thing to see. As you can see, this is a very, very busy part here. There's people everywhere. Everybody's stopping, taking photos. Everybody's taking selfies. That's what a lot of people come here for. See big old Ben. Right, so I live only about 30 minutes from here, from central London. And the point of this video is to kind of just show you what you can do in a day. You know, you got a few spare hours, and this is what you can get up to in London in just a few hours. We're gonna hit up some of the most typical tourist spots, and then after that, we'll get some food. I'm hoping to turn this into a little series where in between international travel for me, we can just come to London and show you a few of the things that you can do here. All roads lead to Buckingham Palace. And after 3 years of walking, we've arrived. So regardless of how people feel about the royals, for me anyway, as an American, I just find it absolutely fascinating. We have nothing like that in the States. So for me, it's super cool. And as you can see, it's a huge tourist draw to come see all this kind of stuff.
So this is the famous mall. So anything that you'll see on TV with the royals, they will always travel down this road all the way through to Buckingham Palace.
So this was all covered in filming trucks and crew just running around back and forth, and they basically hinted at Bridgerton. So see, we still have like a portable kitchen here. They were filming along these buildings back here in the background. There's still like a lot of trailers down there. Let's go see. So I found out what they're filming here, and you can see all the trailers right there. So yeah, okay, so you can see all the trailers, and I just found out what they're filming here. They're currently filming Highlander. So Henry Cavill is going to be here later tonight. So that is pretty cool. So it wasn't Bridgerton, Highlander. Yeah, so they're making a new Highlander. And that's the beauty of London. You literally never know what's going to happen, what you're going to see, who you're going to see, and that's just the beauty of it. There's a hint somewhere in this video of where one of our destinations for this year is going to be. We've made it to Trafalgar Square. I can never pronounce that properly. Yes, make fun of me in the comments. All right, but we're here. And you know, I know it looks busy-ish, but for a Sunday, a weekend in London, this is not busy. Just having a little break just to enjoy the view. I'm a big people watcher. I could sit in a bench somewhere public and just watch the world go by like I'm doing right now. It's really peaceful. So right now we're just making our way to Chinatown, and I do love it there. Chinatown is what spurred our fascination with going to Hong Kong and future plans to visit Shanghai. So we've made it to Chinatown. So let's have a look at what snacks I can get in my belly. Because look at me, I'm so skinny. My cheeks are so thin. I deserve more snacks. So let's go do that. There's a lot of eating options here, and I am just not overwhelmed. Where have they gone? Oh, there they are. Gone in here? Let's see, what do we get in here? Oh, I know what we get in here. So first snack of the day is going to be a Korean hot dog. These are so good. Very different to your typical American hot dogs, so let's get them. And these are the hot dogs. So you've got your typical chicken corn dog, lots of options. So shout out to the new subscriber, somebody I just met, Freddie. Thanks, bro. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate the support. So, just had the Korean hot dogs. Couldn't film in there too much because it was just shoulder to shoulder, packed and rammed. And yeah, would have been nearly impossible to film anything. But it was really, really good. Very filling, very cheap. Only about £7 per hot dog. But overall, I definitely recommend it. It's a unique kind of snack. Mine was the potato, sweet corn, and mozzarella. So let's walk around now and see what other snacks I can find. Or Karen can find. Let's go have a look. Check out this bakery. Ooh, this looks good. Only £2 too per slice. That's not bad. So right now we're just heading to a little bakery. So the bakery is called Chinatown Bakery here in Little China, and it's just a traditional, typical Chinese bakery. We've had dumplings from this place before, and they're really, really good. So, looking forward to that. So there are our pork dumplings, and then we also got some bao buns that are beef. And I got whatever this is to wash it down, so hopefully it's good. So let's try whatever drink this is. It looks to be, I have no idea. Oh, there's bits in there. It's quite good. It's not fizzy though. I thought it'd be fizzy. It's like a flavored water with bits in it. No, that is actually really good. Oh, it's lychee. Apparently it's lychee. And let me try the pork dumplings. Yeah, really, really good. What can you say? It's a dumpling. It's pork. It's good. And let's try this pink bao bun. This place is just super good. If you're in Chinatown in London, I highly recommend you guys come visit this place. It's called the Bao Spot. Couldn't avoid the rain for too long. Managed to, but now it's gonna rain. So, just arrived in Leicester Square, only a short, tiny little walk from Chinatown. This is the world-famous Cineworld Empire Cinemas. Lots of film premieres in London are usually held here. We're here in Piccadilly Circus. Very hectic place, but a pretty cool place. I do like it here a lot. Some of the things you see in London can be like this dude here. He's wants no money, just wants some attention. So let's give him some attention. So right now we're walking down an area that I believe is called Shaftesbury Avenue, and it is where like a lot of the plays here are held in London. So let me show you. So you have one there, Hades Town. I'm sorry, Prime Minister. You have Oliver. You have Les Miserables. Just grabbing a little sweet pastry here at this Japanese bakery. Looks really good, and they make it fresh in front of you, so can't go wrong. And here's the Oreo one that I got. So that mochi ball that I had was actually really good. Once again, couldn't film much because these little places are so small and they're so full of people that there's just elbow to elbow. You can't film anything. Right now we're making our way to Covent Garden though, and behind me you can see the Harry Potter stage show. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. And there's Matilda. We're just gonna make our way back to Embankment, grab something to eat there, and then head home. So this is the final stop of our little tour today in London. It's right behind, it's a little food market right behind Embankment. So we've eaten here plenty of times before, and it's really, really good. So a little change of plan. Those snacks that we've eaten throughout the day have actually really filled us up. So we're gonna take our food home and enjoy it there. I'll show you what we're picking up, but probably not gonna get a reaction of us eating it at home. Just know it was good. So we've decided, we already knew we were going to eat here. It was just a matter if they were here and if they were open. But we're going to be taking home some Venezuelan street food. It's always the problem when you come to one of these food markets. Everything looks incredible, but you only have literally one stomach. All right, guys, so that concludes our day out in London. When I say day out, I mean literally 4-5 hours, not even. But that's just kind of a taste of what you can do in London in such a short amount of time. This will turn into a series where once a month or even more, we're gonna come to London, check out different places and explore this city. So with that, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.